In the ancient city of Cyprus, circa 300 BC, resided a prosperous merchant known as Zeno. While embarking on a voyage from Phoenicia to Piraeus, fate intervened as his vessel succumbed to the depths, carrying with it all his precious cargo. This singular event, beyond the realm of Zeno's or any mortal's control, swiftly transformed the affluent trader into destitution. Consider yourself in Zeno's position. How would you respond to the obliteration of your life's endeavors by the unforgiving hand of nature? What constitutes an appropriate reaction? Would anger or sorrow consume you? Might you perceive existence as unjustly dealt with? For the majority, such emotions would naturally ensue, yet for Zeno, the progenitor of Stoicism, a divergent path unfolds. A minute alteration reverberates through eternity, and a subtle shift in mindset can unleash profound and enduring transformations. At the heart of Stoicism lies the essence of acceptance and equanimity. Inspired by the teachings of Socrates and other venerable philosophers, Zeno conceived and disseminated Stoicism. He espoused the notion that while our control over external events is limited, we wield significant influence over our internal reactions, and it is incumbent upon us to wield this influence judiciously. Rather than succumbing to despair over lost opportunities, Zeno exemplified serenity and detachment, maintaining his composure despite adversity. In contemporary discourse, Stoics are often misconstrued as individuals immune to emotional tumult and impervious to rage or anxiety. However, Stoicism transcends mere emotional resilience. It offers a comprehensive framework for comprehending and navigating life's vicissitudes. Stoicism endures as a philosophy of life, applicable across temporal and cultural boundaries. Its principles give us the tools to transmute adversity into insights, fostering a unique perspective on existence. Perspective, shaped by individual experiences, defines our understanding of the world. Stoic philosophy endows us with the capacity to transmute adversity into wisdom. Stoicism liberates us from the tyranny of external expectations by granting us a nuanced vantage point from which to perceive the intricacies of life. Perspective, forged through diverse experiences, imbues each individual with a distinctive lens through which to interpret the world. Throughout history, Stoics convened openly, engaging in philosophical discourse accessible to all. They believed in the universal applicability of Stoic principles, rejecting the notion of confining wisdom within the confines of academia or aristocratic domains. Hence, from the lowest slave to the highest emperor, individuals of all stations embraced Stoicism. Among the eminent Stoics stand Epictetus, whose name, meaning acquired, symbolizes his journey from bondage to wisdom. Seneca, a distinguished statesman, and Marcus Aurelius, the revered Roman emperor, embodying the epitome of worldly power. The early Stoics exemplified their philosophy through action, advocating for inclusivity and equality. They coined the term cosmopolitan, signifying a global citizenship that transcends barriers of nationality or social status. This ethos of unity resonates in contemporary cities like New York and London, emblematic of diverse communities united in harmony. In an era where philosophical pursuits were deemed unsuitable for women, Stoics vehemently opposed such prejudice. Musonius Rufus, mentor to Epictetus, eloquently championed women's capacity for virtue, challenging societal norms and advocating for their inclusion in philosophical discourse. Why, then, does Stoicism endure as a guiding ethos? In a world rife with uncertainty, our emotions often cloud judgment. Stoicism teaches us to anticipate adversity, fostering resilience in life's inevitable storms. Stoic practices such as voluntary discomfort cultivate gratitude and fortitude, reminding us of our capacity to endure hardship and emerge stronger. In a culture inundated with materialistic ideals, Stoicism offers a counterbalance, emphasizing internal growth over external validation. Stoicism liberates us from the tyranny of external expectations by relinquishing attachment to fleeting desires and embracing self-improvement for its intrinsic value. Stoicism liberates us from the tyranny of external expectations. Rather than seeking fulfillment in transient pleasures, Stoics derive contentment from cultivating virtue and resilience, insulating themselves from the caprices of fortune. In the Stoic worldview, true happiness emanates from within, impervious to external vicissitudes. By tempering desires and cultivating inner tranquility, Stoicism empowers individuals to navigate life's uncertainties with grace and resilience. Natural calamities obliterate entire civilizations, and societal trends like escalating divorce rates underscore the transient nature of human pursuits. Yet, even the intangible treasures of existence exact a price, the cost of mental and physical space. Seneca imparts timeless wisdom, advocating for a minimalist lifestyle to make room for what truly matters in life. Genuine happiness, Stoics assert, stems from intrinsic human worth, transcending material possessions. The essence of Stoic philosophy lies in maintaining equanimity amidst life's tumultuous currents. While external circumstances often elude our control, Stoicism emphasizes mastery over our internal responses, the crux of the dichotomy of control, as elucidated by Epictetus. Stoics advocate for discerning between what lies within our sphere of influence and what does not, deriving value from internal virtues rather than external circumstances. Striving for goals is commendable, yet Stoicism admonishes against emotional turmoil when outcomes diverge from expectations. Living with less entails liberating oneself from societal constraints, fostering contentment independent of material acquisitions. A Stoic reframes setbacks as opportunities for growth, unswayed by transient obstacles. Amidst his struggle against apartheid, Nelson Mandela endured 27 years of imprisonment before emerging as the president of South Africa. Contrary to expectations of vengeance, Mandela embraced the Stoic principles he imbibed from the writings of Marcus Aurelius. Refusing to seek retribution, Mandela exhorted his compatriots to pursue reconciliation and reconstruction. He emphasized the futility of dwelling on the past, advocating instead for collective efforts to forge a brighter future, a manifestation of Stoic philosophy in action. In modern medicine, Stoicism underpins therapeutic modalities like rational emotive behavioral therapy, REPT, and logotherapy. REPT aids in identifying and challenging negative thought patterns, fostering healthier beliefs through logical reasoning. Meanwhile, logotherapy aligns with the Stoic principle that humans derive meaning from purpose, even amidst adversity. Discovering this purpose is pivotal, as it imbues life with profound meaning and joy, even in the darkest of times. As many of us are aware, implementing these principles is easier said than done. It's a gradual process, akin to reshaping our mindset. Out with the old, in with the new. To address our happiness struggles, we must cultivate self-worth. By refocusing our definition of value on what we can control, we liberate ourselves from fixation on the uncontrollable, leading to a happier, more fulfilling life. Stoicism serves as our compass through life's trials, guiding us from tumultuous pasts to tranquil presents. And if our journey ends abruptly, we find solace in the knowledge that we lived a meaningful life, regardless of its duration. Remember, everything concludes eventually. Thank you to all our viewers for joining us on this journey of introspection and growth. Your engagement and support are truly appreciated. Farewell.